Well, while I have your attention, here's another 2021 Tuono Factory, this time with the SCProject Race Oval exhaust in carbon fiber. This time we used Lightech Rearsets, so we can go ahead and utilize that mid-pipe mounting point. Huge thanks to Brandon from Arizona. Thank you, sir, for bringing us your incredible machine for these upgrades. GP shift fixed Lightech rear sets fit really well on this 2021 Tuono. Let's hear it, huh? Race ECU installed. Yep. Thanks again, Brandon. Much more soon.